Hi. So in this video I will tell you how to make your email account, how to create your email account. So it's very simple. First go to Chrome, go to google.com. Now here write Gmail. Now click on create a Gmail account. Here scroll down and click on this red button, create an account. So here you have to give your information. So here in first name or last name I am giving my own name. So that's my name. And you have to give your username with a mix of letter, numbers and periods, and the username must not be taken by anybody else. So here I am trying this number, but the name is already taken and available option is this, so I am going by this option. Now here you have to give your password. The password must be 8 character with a mix of letters, numbers and symbols. So here I am giving my password. So here in this screen you have to give your phone number, from which country you belong. So this is optional, and you can also give recovery email address. So in future if you deactivate or delete your account, so there is an account to recover your email address. So both of these things are optional. It is only to make your account secure. So I'm here skipping this part. Just give your birthday here. Now click on next. So this is the privacy in terms of Google. Scroll down and click on I agree. So that's how you have created your email account.